I think my cat might have been assembled without the instruction manual. 1 minute. Cat is lagging in real life. 1 minute he is chasing.
Mink, mink, mink. Mink, mink, mink.
Yeah. Your crush sends mixed signals, but you already spent all your... You're trying to act cool in front of your new friend, but your internal physics... Trying to start a fight, but your opponent is essentially a brick wall that's had enough of your nonsense.
Huh?
The alarm goes off and you realize it is a salad day, not a chicken day.
Huh?
I have spent years training for this moment and I still do not trust the... You're trying to start a fight, but your ping is at 999 milliseconds.
What the fuck?
Awkward moment when the local duck decides to perform a surprise physical exam and the cat realizes too late that personal space is just... Yeah. I've spent years perfecting my stealth, honing my instincts, and you're trying to figure out if your friend is actually asleep or just ignoring your drama. Trying to work out versus my dog just here for the catering. I am doing push-ups for points while he is doing them for glazed rewards. We have very different fitness goals, but I think he is winning. You've clearly had too much milk, but you're still contemplating if there is room for one more snack. The cat has the high ground and you're still working on your vertical jump. You spend your whole life training to climb Mount Sofa only to find out the summit. I have taught him how to handle money and he is already questioning the tax rate. Moment when you realize some smells should be classified as biological weapons. You decide to take a leap of faith, but find out the cat has zero interest in your testimony. You're trying to look majestic, but your ears haven't even finished loading yet. You enjoy the head scratches so much you accidentally factory reset into a loaf of bread.
Huh?
2 has entered the game and chosen violence. Strategy? 0. Chaos? Max.
What the fuck?
You're trying to be a fierce predator, but you've got the turning radius of a freight train and the grace of a falling potato. You're trying to stay hydrated, but your friend thinks you need a literal head start. Trying to have a serious main character moment, but your friend decides it is prime time to recalibrate their entire soul. You're trying to enjoy your snack, but the cat starts looking at you like you're the one being unreasonable. You're trying to start a fight, but then remember you're actually just a tiny potato. You're trying to stay mad, but your human offers a finger for a mid-argument truce. Trying to pick a fight with a coworker who has been at the company for 15 years and is completely unbothered by your existence. Trying to start a fight, but your opponent keeps hitting you with that slow-motion tail wag. Realization hits that your human hasn't changed their socks since the Obama administration. The kids decide to start a boy band, but the cat is the only one who actually practiced the choreography. Try to act tough, but your center of gravity has other plans. You're trying to stay on a diet, but you hear a bag of chips open from 3 rooms away. Realize the glowing orb is actually a portal to the dimension where all the red dots go. I asked for a plumber and they sent a supervisor who just stares at the problem and expects me to do all the heavy lifting. This guy... Try to enjoy a peaceful walk, but your sibling has zero respect. You're... Accidentally turn on the front-facing camera after a 3-hour nap and realize you have no idea what work makes the dream work, or at least gets the puppy fed while the chicken wonders where forget that the mirror cat is actually you and launch a full-scale tactical You're trying to figure out who that stranger in the mirror is and why they have all your best moves. Calculated the risks, but wow, am I bad at math.